Now, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a sell the news reversal to the downside to maybe around 0.0027. Remember in the last Zebec video, I told you guys a reversal pump is likely to happen on the price of Zebec coin, and it's likely to happen to around 0.0031, which was the previous support we broke, which is now a resistance. I specifically pointed the price out for you guys. That was what happened. When we got the reversal pump, we tapped into that zone and then got a slight correction to the downside. Zebec trading volume is up in the last 24 hours alone, plus 73%, which is massive. Market cap is up 18%, price is up 18%. Now, what is happening on the chart might be the pump before the actual news, and when the news eventually comes out, it's going to be more like a sell the news, because we are now consolidating around the resistance area. The AMA that is expected, the AMA, this Twitter Space Zebec team is about to hold on Twitter in few hours time, 11 a.m. Eastern time to be precise, could make or break the Zebec price. Depending on the outcome of the AMA, if the investors feel bullish, then we might finally break out of this resistance zone, flip it into a support, and then continue our rally to 0.0041. But if the investors feel very, very dissatisfied, if they are not okay with the outcome of the space, the AMA with the team, then we are going to get a massive sell-off, which we are likely to feel this previous pump, retrace the entire previous pump. And if we are retracing this entire previous pump, I would expect, first of all, a bounce from around 0.0027, which is a breaker. That is, if you want to go long, you can just go long sharply from that zone. Another area I'm looking to buy from, if the AMA turns out negative and it affects the price of Zbcn, then we should expect to buy around 0.0025. Let's not forget this very, very important support zone around 0.0021 for Zebec coin. Now, let's talk about the BTC price real quick. Now, BTC on 4 hours, nothing really has happened. Like I told you guys yesterday, the entire cryptocurrency market is currently having a low volume. Likewise to BTC. The current price of BTC is $108,611. And this is a clear buy setup you get. So you can check the Telegram group out to check the signal out. By the time this buy setup get filled, this is a high probability trade, by the way. So, but still, invest wisely and also manage your risks. This is the BTC dominance. We are still expecting the correction. You understand? So by the time the BTC dominance is currently at 64.93%, we are left with 22 days and 15 hours until this monthly candle closes for the BTC dominance. Now, by the time we start getting a massive rejection on the BTC dominance, is going to be massive for our altcoin bag. The last time we got a minus 4% rejection correction on the BTC dominance, most altcoins pumped 20%, 40%, 100% in a single 24 hours. Now, imagine what will happen when we eventually start retracing this whole pump on the BTC dominance. I'm expecting a minus 39% correction on the BTC dominance. So by the time the BTC dominance eventually gets to this level, which is around 47%, I'm going to sell 70 to 80% of my asset, take profit. And by the time it eventually gets to the 39%, which is the historical bottom, same thing happened in 2021 and also in 2018, I'm going to sell the entire portfolio, my entire portfolio, and get out of altcoins. If the BTC dominance fails to start the rejection from here, which should be what is expected to happen, because we've already tapped into this bearish order block, it's very, very obvious. If we happen to continue to pump to the upside, then we should definitely get a rejection from around 71.44%. I don't see the BTC dominance going above the 71.44%. 71.44% is my worst case scenario for altcoins, because the moment the BTC dominance start heading there, altcoins are going to bleed. Let's not forget the orders chart as well. We've talked about this orders chart countless times in our videos. Now, this is the orders chart, and the last time this pattern formed, this orders chart is the entire cryptocurrency market cap, excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. We are currently on the weekly time frame. The last time this pattern formed, several months ago, we got a breakout, a retest, and a massive moonshot to the upside. Now, we now have the same pattern forming again. We've already broke out of the pattern, flipped it into a support. Very, very soon, we should expect a massive moonshot to the upside, but this time around is going to be different. I'm expecting a monstrous move on the orders chart this time around, considering the alignment with the altcoin season. The moment the BTC dominance start retracing aggressively and this orders chart start pumping, then it's going to be explosive. We are likely to take out this previous high around $491 billion, which was the previous high of the last market cycle in 2021, November. And by the time we take out the $491 billion, we are expected to tap into the $700 billion zone for the orders chart. We can even go as high as $1 trillion for the orders chart. The recovery of Zebec is very, very obvious. As you can see, 19% in the last 24 hours, which is massive. The current market cap is seated at $253 million. We are currently ranked number 184th position. Trading volume is gradually going up. We are currently seated at $32.3 million. The outcome of the AMA will determine the next direction for the Zebec price. The outcome of the AMA can either make or break the Zebec price. When the AMA comes out very, very good, positive, then we are likely to finally take out this resistance, flip it into a support, and then begin to rally to the zone around 0.0041, like I said earlier. The moment we are taking out that 0.041, flipping it into a support, then that is when we should begin to expect to tap into this massive bearish order block. This order block is very, very important. Now, the bearish order block is between 0.0060 and also 0.0057. We are likely to get a rejection from there to around 0.0051. and then continue bounce from there to the upside to take out to invalidate this bearish order block finally. So that's that for that. If you're yet to like this video, please smash the like button. My name is Isaac once again. Peace out. What do you think is going to be the outcome of the the space we are expecting in a few hours? Peace.